Let's take a look at how the Pear Deck Schoology integration works. So to start, I am going to add materials, and to do this, you add external tool. There is a Pear Deck link here. You do not want to use that. You want to use add file link external tool. And when this loads, I'm going to click external tool. And from this screen, tool provider, I'm going to come down to Pear Deck. I'm going to give this a title, and I have a lesson ready here. None of this you want to do anything with. So if you want to grade this assignment, and this would only be grades 7 through 12, but if you want to enter a grade in the grade book, you cannot grade inside the assignment, but you can have this create an entry in the grade book so you can sync it to Skyward. 50 points. If I wanted to make the due date Friday, give it a category, and then I am going to click submit. And it's going to load this. So I'm not done yet. Obviously, I haven't told it what slideshow I want to use. You do need to still create that slide deck and the interactions in Pear Deck. Close this window again. So you want to create all that in Pear Deck, but instead of starting the session from Pear Deck, you'll come here to Schoology. I click on the name, and it will load this screen. And here is where I select a file from Drive. So if I'm going to select this file, it's asking me to agree and connect to Pear Deck and log in. You may get the Google login screen. So this is going to show me all my most recent files. I have this one, I was just working on it. You can search it. You can look in shared drives, but I'm going to click this that I've already put. Again, I have to have it set up, ready to go from Google Slides with the Pear Deck add-on. I click on it here, I click select. And here's where I decide, is it student paced or instructor paced? So if you're doing it from class together and you want to launch it from Schoology, you can do that, but I'm going to do this student paced for mine. And it will be set up and ready to go. I'm now going to come over, open a new browser window, and log in as a student to Schoology. And I'm going to log in as this Exeter student and come into this class so you can see what it looks like as a student. I'm going to come into my sample class. There is that assignment. When I click on it, it's going to initialize and load. So you can still share the link to your, if you want it to launch in a new tab for kiddos, but this just keeps it right here and it keeps them inside of Schoology. They navigate through. It does make it a little smaller for them because it is framed inside of Schoology. So that's your call on how you want to load it. But again, what this buys you is the ability to grade it for our 7 through 12 folks, and it's just one more easy space. And I'm going to put some direct here because I want to show you what it features. Then it's just like going in, and I'm put some information in here. Right. And now I'm going to close out of this as a student, and I'm back as a teacher. So notice I'm here as a teacher again. So this is, again, what's nice about it is I don't have to go to Pear Deck every time. It's right here, and it loads for me, and it shows me as I scroll through, I see the student responses, and it labels it by student. You can, but again, remember, to grade it, you do need to go to the grade book. So I would possibly open in a new tab, maybe open it, and then you can switch back and forth from the grade book. But other than that, it's all framed right in Schoology for you.